Hello everyone, welcome back to my science channel. Today let us explore a beautiful and scientifically important tree commonly seen along roadsides, school campuses, parks and gardens. The Indian Mast Tree, scientifically known as Polyalthia longifolia. It is often called the False Ashoka Tree because many people confuse it with the real Ashoka tree. What is the Indian Mast Tree? The Indian Mast Tree is an evergreen tree native to the Indian subcontinent. It grows tall and straight, reaching heights of about 10 to 20 meters. The tree has long, narrow, glossy green leaves with wavy edges, giving it a graceful appearance. Its branches hang downward, creating a beautiful pyramid-shaped canopy that makes it popular for landscaping and ornamental purposes. Scientific classification: Kingdom Plantae, Family Annonaceae, Scientific name Polyalthia longifolia. The word Polyalthia means many healing properties, highlighting its importance in traditional medicine. How does it help the environment? The Indian Mast Tree plays a significant role in maintaining environmental balance. Air purification. Like all green plants, this tree absorbs carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and releases oxygen into the atmosphere. Its dense foliage can trap dust particles and pollutants, helping improve air quality in urban areas. Reduce noise pollution. These thick leaves and branches act as a natural sound barrier. This is why the tree is often planted near roads, schools, and residential areas to reduce noise pollution. Next, temperature control. The shade provided by the tree helps lower surrounding temperatures. Trees reduce the urban heat effect and create a cooler environment. Importance in biodiversity. The Indian Mast Tree provides shelter to many birds, insects, and small animals. Birds often build nests among its branches, making it an important part of local ecosystems. Even though it is mainly grown for decoration, it supports biodiversity by providing habitat and protection for various organisms. Medicinal properties. Traditional medicine systems have used different parts of this tree for many years. Research suggests that extracts from its bark and leaves may contain compounds with antioxidant properties, antimicrobial activity, anti-inflammatory effects. Scientists continue studying these natural compounds for potential medicinal applications. Adaptations for survival. One interesting feature of the Indian Mast Tree is its ability to tolerate different environmental conditions. Because of this adaptation, it is commonly planted in cities where environmental conditions can be challenging. The Indian Mast Tree is much more than a decorative plant. It purifies the air, reduces noise pollution, supports biodiversity, and contributes to a healthier environment. The next time you see a tall tree with drooping branches and wavy leaves, take a closer look. It might be the Indian Mast Tree silently working to keep our environment cleaner and greener. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this scientific exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-based videos. Save Earth, Save Life. Thank you.